To start selling on Takealot, one of the largest e-commerce platforms in South Africa, you need to follow these steps. Visit the Takealot seller portal at seller.takealot.com. Click on the Register or Sign Up button to create a new seller account. Fill out the registration form with your business information, contact details, and banking information. Takealot will review your application and may request additional documentation or information. Ensure that you meet their requirements, including having a registered business, necessary licenses, and the ability to provide quality products and service. Once approved, log into your seller account on the Takealot seller portal. Create product listings by providing accurate and detailed information about your products, including titles, descriptions, images, pricing, and stock levels. Follow Takealot's guidelines and best practices for creating high-quality listings. Keep your inventory up to date on the Takealot seller portal to avoid selling out of stock items. Utilize inventory management tools provided by Takealot to track stock levels and receive notifications for reordering. When a customer places an order, Takealot will notify you through their platform or integration options, e.g., API or FTP. Prepare the ordered products for shipping according to Takealot's packaging and labeling requirements. Use Takealot's designated courier partners or integrate your own logistics provider to deliver the products to customers. Provide excellent customer service by promptly responding to customer inquiries, addressing concerns, and resolving issues. Familiarize yourself with Takealot's policies and guidelines for returns, refunds, and customer interactions. Maintain a high level of performance to ensure customer satisfaction and positive reviews. Monitor customer feedback and ratings to identify areas for improvement and address any negative feedback promptly. Take advantage of Takealot's marketing and promotional opportunities, such as participating in sales events, offering discounts, or running sponsored product campaigns. Optimize your product listings with relevant keywords, attractive images, and competitive pricing to increase visibility and sales. Takealot will handle the payment processing for orders placed on their platform. You will receive payments from Takealot based on agreed-upon settlement terms and payment cycles. It's important to note that Takealot may have specific requirements, policies, and fees associated with selling on their platform. Be sure to review their terms and conditions, seller guidelines, and fee structures to understand all the details and obligations.